Today's lighting was all about mixing natural light along with the artificial light. She has a very beautiful face, and then I was mostly trying to just light it from one side where we're actually getting the natural light from. So it's just me enhancing the same natural light along with the artificial light to make it more impactful, to make it more crispier. Shape of a face, like a jawline, a nose, everything can pop out a little more better. That's about it. And that's when Neeraj did a good job by contouring it a little more extra so that we could get that enhancement on our face. Second lighting, what we were doing is we switched off the complete natural lighting. I mean, we closed all the curtains and then we added one light on top of her head, which was basically trying to just get the shape of her face. And then next we added another light on her face with the beauty dish. That made it even more interesting. And then we took two lights, one octa and one beauty dish only from the sides, and then just trying to move her face in and around here and there, trying to figure where is the perfect lighting falling onto her body. I mean, it's just one of those things we have to keep experimenting, and you have to keep trying something or the other, and you have to keep moving your model or your lights here and there, and then you figure out the perfect edge and perfect timing of your lighting. That's about it. And once you see the pictures, you'll probably get a better idea about how I did what I did, and that's about it.
This look is like near to how she would look in general, like very natural, soft, a little contour and a little color on the lips because we're going black and white. So colors in black and white register differently, but otherwise the eyes are going to really be soft, like very, very neutral. Today's reference is mostly body shots, more of body hugging outfits, and it is basically the model's personality that shows through clothes. This is not on makeup. The emphasis is on the model as like we're just going to try to capture her soul. We are doing a natural makeup, but natural makeup and black and white photography. So we will still be using colors which register different when it is black and white. So for example, we will be doing a little heavier contour, and we'll be using cooler colors because cooler colors on a black and white spectrum actually show up. If you use warmer colors, then it's going to go more on the whiter side and it will look like a highlight. Then basically for the eyes, we're going to keep it super neutral. Maybe a touch of definition just to show that there are eyes and not look completely highlighted. But we'll be doing a very strong contour, and we'll be doing a red stained lip because red, and actually cooler red if possible, because when you do a cooler red, it translates better on black and white photography. And of course we'll be keeping the skin quite glossy so that the highlighters actually look like a white highlight on the face.
So today we are going to use Fujifilm Pro 400H. It's a daylight film. I've been saving this one for quite some time. It's an expired film. It expired I think 3 years back. Today I'll be using my Mamiya 645. This is the second last film I have right now. Then I'll be completely done with Fujifilm. And they're not even available at this point in market, so it's quite a task to use this film. To go. Mamiya 645. I want you not to pose at all. Let's go. Stay there. Let's go. Look at me straighter. Doing this, okay? Pulling your shirt up a little more. Yeah, put it up like this. Less posing. So थोड़ा side से ले लिया light को. Your body has to be not interested. Your face has to be like, okay, fine, whatever. I exist. That's about it. Keep it as simple as possible, right? Now again, hands. Hold up there. Love this. Hold on. Again. So what happens is, I don't want you to be like this. फैल जाओ. फैलाओ अपनी body को. Keep it as far as possible, right? Yeah, keep this away. That's also completely fine. But फैलाओ अपनी body को. Beautiful. Girl, I love that. I love that. This is good. Hold there. Beautiful. Hold there. Stay. Now, while you at it, just do the same thing what you're doing. Pose the same way what you're posing. Get your body a little more down, yeah? Perfect. Ease it again. Ease your body. Yeah, keep in the same way. Just keep your face, ease it. Ease your face, little more. और नीचे कर ले. Wow, I love that. Keep looking. Look down. Look down. Keep your hands like this under your bust. Take the whole top down. Look down and keep it here. Look up and this. That's good. Where you are? Okay, now just look at me. Just get like this now. Move while you're at it. Go like this completely. That's what I'm talking about. That's nice. Stay. Your chin on your shoulder. Take your hair back. That's good. Yeah, that's nice. Stay right there. Ease it. Okay. Hold up there. This is nice. That's nice. Do that. 3, 2, 1. Not that. No. Earlier how you were sitting then. Okay, let's not do this. Let's keep your hands there. Just keep it like this. That's good. Just go back one step back. Take your hair back. Okay, use both your hands and do this. I love that. Keep looking down. Don't look at the camera anymore, yeah? Look away from the camera. It's like look at the camera and then leave. You look at me and then leave. Alright, 3, 2. I love this. Stay right there. Beautiful. Hold up there. Man, this is you. I love this. Light eye, na? Awesome. Now, how about I want a little more sexy, okay? This same thing has to look very mature and extremely sexy. Same way how you're doing it. Straighten your face. How about I just go this side a little more? Little more. Facing that side. Okay, now just go one step forward. Okay, and now do that. Don't open your lips. Chin down. Straight. Breathe in. Yeah. Stuff yourself in, okay? Stuff in. Don't look at me. Look there. Stay right there. Look there. Look outside completely. Stay right there. Chin down a little more. This body a little more this way. Arch your back a little more. Yeah, that's good. Stay. What do you do? Stay in the same way. Yeah. With your hands. And then looking down, looking there. Get your hands here. Keep your right hand here. Yeah, keep it there. Yeah, just looking there. Keep looking there. Stay right there. Chin down. More down. Awesome. That's good. That's nice. Get your body a little more attached. No, same way. What you're doing is fine. But उसको squeeze करना है body को. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult. Arch your back. Okay, yeah. Stay. That's good. Hold. 2, 1. Gorgeous. More down. कर सकते हैं, बट मेरे को लगता है कि इसके पूरे चपटे भी करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. जॉलाइन इज वेरी नाइस. आई वुड लाइक टू यूज इट लाइक दैट. या जस्ट कंप्लीट स्लीक इट. लोगों को पीछे रखने का क्या लग रही है भाई. ये do this. 160K only. Okay. Now give me the same pose. This one. ठीक है. That's good. That's good. Only eyes towards me, okay? Only eyes. Straight. That's nice. Stay the way you are. It's good. Perfect. And now this time let's take your top up a little more. ऐसे कुछ करते हुए. Sideways, sideways, little sideways. That's about it. Stay. Hold. Gorgeous. Chin down, chin down. That's good. To be out, okay? Both the hands has to be out. That's about it. That's good, that's good, that's good. Stay. Stay in the same zone. क्या बोला? Like, you know, like this, as if you know, एकदम low waist पहना हुआ है ना, तो ऐसा तो रहता है।
टैक्सी लगेगा ज़्यादा।
नहीं, बस लगा के दो। This bend is nice. Breathing in, hum. Stay. 1 second. Like this. Yeah, that's good. Inside, inside. Bend. That's good. That hinge. Work on this. That's good. Perfect. Hold. God damn it, Tanvi, I love this. Same thing, more, okay? More. I love this. Hold that. Hold how you're holding that, no? Just hold both the side. Not so much, not so much. See, what you gotta do is hold this, right? Just hold it little. Don't pull it up completely. Just hold it little. As if you're holding like a belt, okay? Okay? 1 second. Is it same thing what you're doing? No. Yeah, now do that. Hold there. Keep your hands there. Let me also get your hands like this. Okay, just keep it more, tease it, okay? Tease that a little more. This part, that's like it. I want to keep it like that. On your butt like this. Get the body a little more this side. Little more. I want to see your butt a little more, okay? Yeah, that's good. That's, see, why you add... Okay, 1 second, yeah? Need to get rid of this. Ease it, ease it, ease it. Yeah, now. Breathe in. Stay.
I like the chin. Like that's a little...
Be with the music, okay? Be with the music. And move with the music, okay? Just a little bit. Leave your thumb there, yeah? Just leave your thumb there like this, yeah? Just keep it there. Breathe in. Bend. That's about it. Stay. Stay. Breathe in. Just bend a little more. That's good. Stay. Like this. Around your navel. Around your navel. Yeah, that's good. थोड़ा सा हाथ बाहर. Hands there again. Okay, the same thing what you're doing earlier, right? How you're pulling it down, no? Completely straight, man. Okay, this time just hug yourself, okay? Complete hug, yeah? Sideways. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's good. It went a flash, huh? Where? 33. I like that. Keep looking down, it's good. Like how you're doing both the hands here, like a belt. Okay? Pull it down a little more. Like a belt. Hold it straighter. Straighter. That's good. Okay, done. Change. सुना ये लाइट ना ऊपर से आना है इसके, मेरे को मन ही नहीं करता है. ब्राइट टिल 2017 I was shooting weddings only. 40 lakh rupees. Perfect. Look at me here. Yeah, this is good. Where the fuck is my camera? Okay, camera's there. Awesome. Stay right there. Just straighter. No. Don't bend so much. Just very basic. Not doing much. Let's just keep it together, okay? Stay there. Love that. Okay, do one thing now this time. Put it on. Put this on. Straighter. That's good. वो चेहरे पे आने थे पूरा. Keep your face up, chin up like this. करते रहे. Chin up. 1 by? Okay. Stay. Oh, the light is not working, bro. Oh, it's working. Perfect. Straighter. That's good. Stay. Okay, now give me your back. Baba, just towards me a little more. That's good. Not so much, not so much. Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. What I want to do is keep your hands here like this. Just keep your hands there. Yeah. Thoda. क्या बोली? हाँ. Wow, man, I love this. Hold up there. Stay right there. Hold there. No, don't do that. Don't do pulling. No pulling. No pulling. Just keep it soft and easy. Okay, that's good. Okay, now give me the side again. Yeah. Keep your hands there. This only. ऐसे. On top of that. पैर ऐसे रखे इसमें. हाँ. Yeah, stay. Sit down. Okay, let's go. Tell me one thing. Could you be on your back on this one? Go on your back completely. थोड़ा और आगे. थोड़ा सा और आगे. Yeah. Okay, now let's go. Go for it. Yeah, and now put your legs up. That's all. Man, brilliant. बहुत अच्छा है. बस your arm no has to be somewhere else. No, that's fine. Keep it there only the way it is. Oh, you put it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Aryan, Arja, मेरे भाई. Face दो. Keep your hands on your thighs. Keep your hands on the thighs. Yeah, थोड़ा ऊपर. That's good. Stay right there. Okay, now. All right. बस. अब हो गया done. आगे ले ले. Keep looking up. Keep looking. Complete up. Stay. हाथ निकाल दो. Done, guys. नहीं, not days. I have to finish. Have you been doing any theaters or something? Right under the light. Okay. थोड़ा सा chin up रखो, हल्का सा. थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ. ऊपर देखो. ऊपर देखो. बस keep looking here. Don't change it. Stay the way you are. Don't move. बता दो रुक जाओ. वैसे रहो. Just stay. I'm going to move you. You don't move. Chin down. इसको नीचे कर. उसका पार पड़ा. That's good. Stay. Close your eyes this time. Close your eyes. Okay, go straight. Straight only. Close your eyes. एक काम कर, इसको ना साइड से दे दे. पार बंद कर दे इसका. Look at me. Eyes to इधर आने बार. ये go back completely. Rest back there. ये इसको ऊपर ले, हल्का से ऊपर ले ले. Keep looking at me. इतना नहीं. नीचे कर. हाँ बस ऐसे रहे. यहाँ नहीं. यहाँ रख. बस ऐसे रख. बस that. I want it to be straight only. Keep your face straighter, okay? That's good. इसको ना और enhance करना पड़ेगा. Breathe in more. more. और अंदर जाना. ठीक है? Yeah, do that. हाथ को अंदर दबाओ ऐसे. That's good. Pull it in now. That's good. Again face here. And down. That's good. Close your eyes. Stay right there. Too dark. Can we come? Let's just swipe here. Just slide a little more inside. और अंदर आ जाओ हल्का सा. हाँ बस. Now do that. इन दोनों को ना साइड कर देते हैं अभी. Come forward. तो पीछे लेना. Close. Keep your eyes closed, okay? Hold, 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 hold. Like this. That's good. That's good. That's good. इसको आगे ले. और 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 आगे ले. Look at me. Look at me. Keep looking at me. Keep looking at me. Stay. That's good. That's good. Wait up. Stay. Lift your body. Chin down. Yeah, that same thing. But bend. Bend. नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं. ऐसा ऐसा. Perfect. Beautiful. Let's go. Chin more down. Chin more down. थोड़ा सा chin up. थोड़ा सा chin up. Yeah. Keep little down. Little down. Close your eyes. Yeah. बस ऐसे रहे. थोड़ा साइड देखो हल्का सा. Chin down. Hold. Okay. Stay. Stay. Okay. Please go. Hold there. Stay there. Stand right under the line. Right under the line. Okay. Look straight. Look at me. Eyes to इधर आने का. ये go back completely. Rest back there. ये थोड़ा ऊपर ले हल्का सा ऊपर ले ले. Keep looking at me. इतना नहीं नीचे कर. नीचे कर. हाँ बस ऐसे रहे.